So why it is called as accelerated motion? Uniform circular motion is called as accelerated motion. So what is the reason behind, and everything we'll discuss it now. So as we all know, already we studied in the previous classes. What is velocity, everybody? Can you tell me first? Let me start with the speed. Can you tell me what is speed? Speed is equals to what? All of you.
Distance by time.
Distance by time. We all know velocity. Velocity is equals to what?
Displacement
To
by
called as
time.
displacement by time. Displacement by time. Now we know that rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. We used to call it as something. Can you tell me what is that?
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
We used to call it as acceleration. Understanding? Now, if velocities keep on changes, then the body is said to be in accelerated motion or non-accelerated motion. If velocities keep on
Accelerated.
accelerated motion. So we all knows that. Yes or no, guys? Yes, everybody respond. If
Yes,
velocity of a body is continuously changing, if velocity changes continuously, we know that the body is said to be in what? Body is said to be in, yes please,
Motion.
said to be in what motion? Accelerated motion. Yes or no?
Acceleration motion.
So now let us discuss in our today's class. That is what we are going to make. If a body is in circular motion, either it is said to be in accelerated motion or not. That is what we are going to discuss. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. So if we say if it is accelerated motion, then why we used to call it as it is accelerated motion? That is all we'll discuss it. Is it okay? Are you ready, everybody? So please keep heading.
Yes.
Uniform circular motion heading. Uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. I will say it is accelerated motion. So let us discuss what it is. It is an accelerated motion. Is it okay, guys? All of you? Yes. So let us discuss what is the cause behind it. So we know that when the velocity of the body continuously changes, just now I told you, velocity of the body continuously changes, then we can say body is said to be in what, guys? All of you. Body is said to be in
Accelerated.
Accelerated.
or I can say body is accelerating. Is it okay? Everybody, Kishore, Lingesh, I'll say when the body's velocity is continuously changing, then I'm saying a body is said to be in accelerating. Now, first of all, you tell me velocity means what? It is a vector quantity or scalar quantity? It is the
Vector quantity.
vector quantity. Yes or no? It is a vector quantity because it has both. What is that?
Magnitude and
Direction and
Direction.
Magnitude and as well as direction.
Direction.
Is it yes or no? So that is why it is called as vector quantity. Now, the velocity of the body can be changed either by changing the magnitude or by changing the direction. Yes or no? Everybody, will you accept it? Anyone? Please.
Yes, sir.
I will explain you. Observe very carefully. I'll say, for example, Mr. Mari is traveling 20 meter per second towards to the north. Next, 20 meter per second towards the south. 20 meter per second towards the east. 20 meter per second towards the west. Now you tell me, is it Mari velocity is same or Mari velocity is different? Anybody?
Different, sir.
Different. Yes or no? Understand, everybody? Magnitude is same, of course. Magnitude is same, but who is changing? Keep on changing. Everybody. Direction. Then Mari is said to be in accelerated motion or he is in non-accelerated motion?
Accelerated.
Accelerated motion. Because we can say a body is said to be in accelerating. How we can change? The velocity of the body we can change
Change in
two ways.
velocity.
We can change in two different ways. Magnitude and as well as direction.
Direction.
Let me take one more example, all of you. I'll say now, observe very carefully. Mari is traveling 20 meter per second towards to the east. Next, become 40 meter per second towards to the east. Become 60 meter per second towards to the east. Next, 80 meter per second towards the east. Have you remembered here? So now Mari is said to be in accelerated motion or non-accelerated motion? Everybody.
Accelerated
Yes,
motion.
accelerated motion. Now here what is changing?
Magnitude.
Yes, please. Magnitude is changing. Here 20 is the magnitude, here 40 is the magnitude, here 60 is the magnitude, here 80 is the magnitude. So he is said to be in what? Accelerated or non-accelerated motion?
Accelerated.
Accelerated.
You all understand? But here what is not changing, Mr. Gokul Raj? What is not
Direction.
changing?
Direction.
Is not changing.
Direction.
No.
Direct.
Shivani, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can change the velocity of the body. How we can change, guys? Please respond. Either by changing the magnitude or we can
Direction.
Very important. So please remember, because if you know that only, we can understand the body is in uniform accelerated motion if it is in circular motion. Okay. So please write the statement. The velocity of the body can be changed. Very important. The first statement also write, guys. That is why it is right. When the velocity of the body, when the velocity of the body changes. Have you all understood this concept? Anybody having doubt, you can tell me. Velocity of the body changes, then we can say that the body is in what, guys? Body is in accelerating or non-accelerating?
Accelerated.
Body is in
Accelerated.
accelerating. So we can change the velocity in two ways, right? The velocity of the body can be changed either by changing how, guys? Either by changing, everybody,
Magnitude.
in the magnitude, or changing the magnitude of the velocity, or what we can change? Direction of motion. Direction of motion of the body. Is it okay, guys? Or both I will change. For example, let me take now, Mr. Kishore is traveling 20 meter per second towards to the north, 40 meter per second towards to the east, 60 meter per second towards to the south. Now you tell me, is it also velocity changes or not? Now also is said to be what? Accelerated or not? That is,
Accelerated.
or both also I can change. Understand, Agalya? Either I can change velocity, direction, either I can change magnitude, or I can change both also. Any problem for anybody? All the three cases, what we used to call accelerated motion only. Yes or no, guys? Yes, please. No response?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember. Now, let us consider the motion of a body in a rectangular path. We all know rectangular path. What is a rectangular path means, everybody? What is a rectangular path? Opposite sides are
Equal.
equal. So this is what my path. All of you observe. Now let consider, everybody make it. Let consider the motion of a body on a rectangular path. Let me name it rectangular path. What do you want? PQRS or ABCD or WXYZ, whatever you want, I will take. Can I take it as ABCD, everybody? A, B, and C and D. Is it okay, Lingesh, Pranav?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So I am considering the motion of a body in what path? Rectangular path, A, B, C, D. Any problem, Mari? Yes.
No, sir.
And let me imagine now, Mr. Lingesh is started from point A and he will go to where, guys? He will go to where?
Point B.
Point B.
Bond.
He will go to point C. Then he will come to point D. And finally, again, he will come to what? Point A. Do you all understand, all of you? So now, he started from point A, all of you observe. Then in this motion, you tell me, the body keep on changes what? Of course, Mr. Lingesh is traveling continuously with
Direction.
meter per second. Imagine his speed is 30 meter per second. Speed means what? Of course, velocity also we can say. So his speed is 30 meter per second. Here also 30 meter per second. Here also 30 meter per second. Here also 30 meter per second. So his speed is 30 meter per second. But velocity what? Can you tell me? Here what is the velocity? Everybody. What is the velocity of Mr. Lingesh? Here, 30 meter per second towards to the what actually it is? Towards to the east. Yes or no,
Yes.
guys? Yes, please. Towards to east.
Yes, sir.
Now here towards the what? 30 meter
South.
per second.
South.
Yeah, this
South.
is velocity. Velocity I'm putting bar. So 30 meter per second. 30 meter per second towards the what?
South.
Towards south. And here also velocity. I'm putting bar. I'm putting arrow. Understand, Agalya? Here what is the velocity? 30 meter per second towards to what?
West.
West. Sangamitra Purima. And here last case. Velocity of a body towards the what, guys? Now here
North.
30 meter per second towards the what? Everybody. Sangamitra.
North.
Towards to the north. Now you tell me, his speed is remains constant. Have you noticed it, Mr. Lingesh? Kishore? The speed of the body is remains constant. But who is not constant? Who is not constant? Velocity is not constant. And in this motion, the body changes the direction how many times? Anybody can tell me? Mr. Sanjay?
4 times.
Gokul
4
Raj?
times.
4 times. Sir.
4 times
Four
it is
times.
changing. Understanding? And how many rounds? If we will change the 4 times direction, how many rounds he will complete, Mr. Lingesh?
1.
One round, sir.
Now, direction is changed at B point, direction is changed at C point, direction is changed at D point, and direction is again changed at A point. So, if he will change the direction 4 times, then he will complete 1 round. So, that is what you have to remember. Is it okay, everybody? Please respond. So then, Mr. Lingesh is said to be in accelerated motion or non-accelerated motion. Everybody.
Accelerated motion.
Accelerated motion.
Accelerated.
Understand? Yes, Agalya.
Yes, sir.
Now let us consider the
Yes, sir.
body on a regular hexagon. Hexagon means what, guys? We all people knows. Hexagon. Yes, please. Hexagon. Anybody? Hexagon means.
Sir, 10, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, in circular motion, the magnitude will not change, no, sir. You told it is constant, no, sir.
Here also magnitude constant only, Mari. Have you noticed that?
But the direction will be changing, no,
Yes,
sir.
that is why circular motion is said to be accelerated motion. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Now let us take one more path. Let me take now. Consider the motion. Second example. Consider the motion. Consider the motion of a body on a circular path. Sorry, hexagonal path. Hexagon means how many sides? Nobody knows. Nobody knows
Six.
mathematics here. On a, yeah, regular hexagon. Okay. So let us draw the hexagon. Name is called as A, B, C, D, E, F. That is the name. Okay. Non-accelerated motion means velocity, no change in velocity. Understand, Mr. Lingesh? Velocity is not changing. Continuously same thing. Purima, constant velocity is called as non-accelerated motion. Okay, Kishore? Yes, please. When the body is traveling in a straight line with a constant, suppose velocity is 30 meters per second, continuously in the same. By the time, what is the accelerated? Acceleration is equals to 0 meter per. Yes, please. What is the acceleration, guys? If the velocity is traveling with a constant velocity, 0 acceleration. Do you remember graph? We have a graph is parallel to x-axis. Do you remember, all of you? Graph is parallel to x-axis. Then acceleration is equals to what? 0 meter.
0.
No acceleration for
Square.
yeah, that is what. So now I am considering the shape. What is the shape actually? Hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, shall we draw the hexagon, all of you? So let us take. So it is not, no hexagon shape is there. So I am drawing. So we can draw it. It's not a problem. I can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it okay, guys? Yes. I can arrange.
Yes, sir.
That's not a problem for me. So we will try to draw maximum perfectly, but you have to adjust it if it is not coming perfectly also. Okay, but you people can draw hexagon easily. So next, hexagon means ellame theriyuma. No, don't know. How many sides are hexagon means?
6 sides, sir.
Singesh, are you drawing?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Agalya? Okay, va? All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah. So what is the name of the, let me take this, what is the name of the hexagon we have taken?
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Is it okay, everybody? If you want, you can take decagon also. Decagon means how many times it will changes? Direction. Yes, please. Decagon means how many
So
times?
10
No.
times.
10 times.
10 times.
That is what. So all of you observe now. So body started from A. Now, let me take whom we will consider. Let me consider Mr. Silesh. A cute boy, Silesh. Are you there in meeting? Can you hear me? Yes, boy. I'm considering Mr. Silesh. Now, Silesh went A to B. Next, B to C. Next, C to D. Next, D to E. Next, E to F. And again, F to A. Now he made one complete rotation. So how many times his direction changes? Tell me. One complete
6
rotation.
times.
Everybody?
6 times.
Yes, please. 6 times. 6 times direction is changing. Understanding? So direction changes. Then tell me, Mr. Silesh is in accelerated motion or non-accelerated motion? Yes, please.
Accelerated mode.
Accelerated motion. So the direction of the body changes at 6 times at every point, from A to B one time, from B to C another time, from C to D another time, from D to E another time, E to F another time, again F to A another time. So when Mr. Silesh is in hexagonal path, 6 times his direction will changes. Of course, let me take his speed is, for example, I'll consider this is speed, guys. I am not putting the arrow speed. Speed is again 30 meters per second. But his velocity, is it velocity same? Velocity not same. Understand everyone? Here A to B, it is towards to the north. B to C towards to the south. Sorry, it is like northeast, north, south also will come correct. So we're having 4 directions. This is what you can see. Middle also. This is north and this is south. This is east and this is west. And this is called as what? Northeast. This is called as northwest. And this is called as southeast. And this is called as, what is to call everybody? What is to
Southwest.
southwest? Am clear? That is what. So now from A to B, he is traveling. See how he is traveling. Northeast. Understand? Yes. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Northeast. Next from B to C, he is traveling how? Southeast. Next from C to D, south. Understanding? And from D to E, he is traveling southwest. And E to F, he is traveling northwest. And F to A, he is traveling towards the what? North. Understand? From A to B, he is traveling how, guys? Everybody respond. Northeast.
Northeast.
B to C, he is traveling southeast.
Southeast.
C to D, he is traveling south. And D to E, he is traveling southwest. And E to F, he is traveling what? Northwest.
Northwest.
And F to A, he is traveling towards the north. So totally how many directions he is traveling? How many times he is changing direction? Everybody respond, guys.
6 times.
6 times. Like that. I am keep on increasing. Have you noticed it? Rectangular means how many sides, Ra? Rectangular means how many sides? 4 sides.
4.
Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. Understanding?
Sides.
Decagon means how many sides?
10 sides.
10 sides. Like that, if I am keep on increasing 10 sides, 20 sides, 1,000 sides, 10,000 sides, finally the path will turns into what? I am keep on adding the number of sides. Then finally the path will changes into what? Everybody.
Circle.
Yes, please. Respond, guys. The path will turns into circle. Am I clear? Yes, please. So now that is the path. Now this path is turns into circular. Consider, let me take Agalya now. So consider Agalya is in the motion of a body. Motion in what path? Motion of a body in what, guys?
In a
Circular path.
On a circle.
Circular path.
Are you all clear? Understood or not? Everybody? Circular
Yes,
path. Now, let me consider now Agalya is at point A and Agalya is at point B and Agalya is at point C and Agalya is at point D. Now, every circle is having something center C, we used to call it as. Okay. Now you tell me, Agalya started move from point A. Now tell me what is the direction of Agalya here at this point? What is the direction of Agalya? Everybody, at this point, we all knows. What is the direction of Agalya? Towards to the
east.
towards to the east. Yes or no, Lingesh, Kishore, Sailesh? And
House,
at the point
tangent.
B, what is the direction of Agalya?
Sir,
Mari?
South.
house, sir.
South.
Because at that point, if I release, yesterday we have remembered, if the center, if suppose from the center, if I release the centripetal force at this point, she will go towards the east only.
Tangent.
No, tangent. Remember, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Towards velocity direction. Now at this point, what is the direction of velocity? Downwards. At this point, what is the direction of velocity? Everybody, towards to the west.
West.
At this point, what is the direction of velocity?
North.
Everybody,
North.
towards the north. So not only this point, I am considering 4 points. If I consider on a circular track, can I consider millions of points? Everybody, yes, please.
Yes,
Yes or no? All of you
Yes,
respond.
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
millions of points I can consider. So now tell me, is it every point the direction of a Agalya is changing or not? Everybody, at every point, direction is changing or not? Let me imagine. Now
Yes,
Agalya is revolving in the circular track with a 50 meter per second. Now that 50 meter per second, speed of our bodies remains constant. Speed of our bodies remains constant, but who is not constant? Velocity is not at all remains, everybody, not constant, because
Constant.
in a circular path, at every point, direction of a body is what?
Changes.
Changes. How many times it will changes? Direction of a body, infinity times. Do you all understand it? Yes, Mr. Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
I will consider 4
Yes.
points. You will consider 5 points. I will consider 10 points. Another one consider 1,000 points. So how many times it will changes? Direction of a point. Every point, direction of a body changes. So that is why the body which is in circular motion, can I say it is in accelerated motion? Everybody accept with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Girls say Agalya, Shivani. That is what. So please write it. All of you write. So we can say uniform circular motion is a what motion? Yes, please.
Accelerated motion.
Accelerated motion. Right. Hence the velocity of the body, changes at every point. So we can say that the uniform circular motion, we can say that, Sanjay, understand Ara? No response at all. Circular motion is an accelerated motion. Is it okay, guys? Okay. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
If I want to find the direction, how to find a direction in circular motion? Anybody can tell me? Yesterday also I taught you. If you want to find the circular motion, just now also somebody told, I think Nivedan.
Tangent.
Tangent.
Yes,
Tangent.
we have to draw the tangent at given point. Okay, very, very important thing. The direction of velocity, understanding, at a point on the circular track or on the circular path is given, Sailesh Purima Pranav, by drawing a tangent on it. If you are clear, then you tell me. Then only we'll proceed the further. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what it is about circular motion. Now we are going to develop the formula. If you have observed yesterday's videos, anybody watch? So let us make the formula now. So let us consider R is the radius of the circular path. Let me write it, everybody. If R means what, guys? Everyone, R is the
Radius.
Radius.
R is the radius of the circular path. Then the distance covered, already I taught you at the beginning of this chapter, distance covered by the body. Can you tell me what is that? Distance
2
covered
pi
by the
r.
body in one cycle. What is that, Agalya? Shivani?
2 pi r.
One cycle is 2 pi r. If it is two cycles,
4 pi r.
everybody, 2
pi
times of 2 times of 2
pi r.
pi r.
2
Understand?
into
Yeah, if it is n number of times, n cycles, n times of what? N times of what?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Are you all clear, everybody? That is what? Distance or displacement? Distance. Clear? Distance. So distance covered after covered by the body after how many cycles? Everybody, please respond. N times.
N
Understand?
cycle.
Understand, Ara? Please respond. Everybody. Clear? Yes. So that is only this 2 pi r. What we used to call 2 pi r is equals to what? One complete revolution. One complete revolution, which is equals to what? Circumference of a what? That is only called as
Circle.
something. Yes.
Circle.
Circumference of a circle. So what is the circumference of a circle? Everybody? 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Then you can find the speed of the body. Can you tell me what is the speed of the body? Formula. Speed of the body means what? What is the speed of the body basically?
Distance by time.
Yeah. Distance by time.
divided by time.
Yeah. If it is distance, what is the distance in a circular track? Yes, please.
2 pi r.
Yes. Distance traveled by body in one complete revolution, which is equals to distance means what? Everybody respond. 2 pi r divided by time. Is it okay, guys? Yes, Pond?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you? So that is what? So speed is equals to 2 pi r by time. Is it okay, all of you? No response?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Okay. Yes, please. Mari. So
Sir, then the formula is V is equal to 2 pi r by time, sir.
2 pi r by time. Speed of a body in circular track 2 pi r by time. Is it okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, new things we are introducing. Observe very carefully, all of you. Somebody is speaking. Kishore, please mute. Now see. One rotation, one complete rotation, one rotation. What is the speed of the body? Can you tell me? Speed of the body. Speed is equals to, everybody respond, 2 pi r by t. Is it okay, guys? Yes. All of you?
Yes,
sir.
All of you can find it. Now, as we know, speed only we can find. Is it possible to find the velocity? I want to know. Velocity, is it possible to find? No, because at every point, what will happen? Every point, what will happen?
Direction.
Direction changes. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please.
Sir, but
Yeah.
speed is a scalar quantity, so quantity, no, sir. There will be no direction, no,
That's what,
sir.
Maria, I'm saying. Speed of a body. For example, Agalya can run inside the circular track continuously with the 50 meter per second. Means that is her speed. Do you all understand?
Yes, sir.
But her velocity is not constant. Velocity is continuously changes. Understood? That is why Agalya is in accelerated motion. Clear, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Our speed is constant. So that is what you should understand. In a circular motion, speed is remains maybe constant, but velocity is not constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Amma? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is what.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next, see. One complete rotation. Distance covered by a body is equals to, what is the answer? Distance covered by a body, 2 pi r. Clear? Yes, please. one complete
sir.
rotation. Distance is equals to 2 pi r. Then displacement is equals to one complete rotation. Displacement is equals to
2
one
pi r by
complete
2.
rotation. Half. Zero, man. One complete rotation. One complete rotation means again Agalya started from point A and she reached one complete
Yes, sir.
rotation. Again she reached to the point A only. So what is the displacement? Displacement is what?
0.
Zero.
Zero.
Clear? Next, half rotation. Half rotation, only half rotation. Distance is equals to 2 pi r by 2, which is equals to what? Pi r. Clear? Understand? And by
Yes.
that time, displacement is equals to, what is that, guys? Displacement is equals to half rotation. Only half rotation. Yes, please. Displacement is equal to diameter.
Diameter.
Understanding? Diameter AB. Okay. Or we can take 2 times of radius. What we can say, guys? Respond. 2 times of radius.
Yes.
Clear? Next, second one, very important. 2 complete rotations. Can you tell me what is the diameter distance? 2 complete rotations.
2 into 2 pi r.
2 into 2 pi r. Okay. 2 complete rotation. What is the displacement?
0.
0.
Clear?
Zero.
Next, 2.5 rotations. 2.5 rotations. 2.5 rotations. What is the distance? 2 times of, 2.5 times of 2 pi r. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but what about the displacement? Displacement equals to 2r. Understood? Yes. Diameter, guys. Mari, Lingesh.
Sir, yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
2 rotations means where he will stop. First rotation, suppose Agalya only we have taken. She will
Sir,
start
from
from
only
A.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, Mari.
This and all I can understand, sir.
Hmm.
But why you took speed and why you didn't took velocity, sir?
Velocity we cannot find, Mari. Velocity at every point it will changes, Mari. Understand? So we cannot calculate. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is why we are finding only speed of a body in a circular motion, not velocity.
Sir,
Velocity
in speed, it is the direction changes, so we are saying it
is
that it
velocity.
can be accelerated motion, sir.
Yes.
But in speed, how we can say, sir? In velocity, direction changes, we can say, sir.
Yeah. Speed we can
Speed
calculate,
how?
Mari. Speed we can calculate. We know the distance and we know the time. So you cannot calculate the speed. Suppose now Agala is taking 2
No,
minutes.
sir, I'm saying acceleration.
Acceleration we can find, Mari. At every point, I'm not saying acceleration we can find. I'm saying body is in acceleration because velocity is continuously changes. So that wherever velocity changes, I can say body is in acceleration because acceleration also will changes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Suppose here I will say velocity of a body is 30 meter per second towards to the south. Here the velocity of the body is 30 meter per second towards to the north. So is it both the cases? Is it the same?
No, sir.
So then acceleration is changes, correct? Velocity is changing means acceleration is changing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is. But you see only magnitude is only speed. Direction is changing. Whenever direction changes, automatically acceleration also changes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what you should understand. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you cannot find here acceleration because you cannot say like, sir, initial velocity 30, final velocity also 30, then acceleration is 0. You cannot say. Why? Because we cannot subtract. This is 30 meter per second towards the what? South. This is 30 meter per second towards the what? North.
No.
So is it possible to subtract?
No, sir.
No, you cannot. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when it made 2.5 rotation, everybody, what is the displacement? Distance. 2.5 into 2 pi r. What is the displacement? Everybody respond. Displacement equals to 2r. Then a body made 5 rotations. 5 rotations. Can you tell me what is the display? What is the distance?
Pi r.
5 into 2 pi r.
5 times
5.
2 pi r. Understand?
Yeah.
What is the displacement? 5 rotations.
0.
0. Understanding? Next, body made 5.5 rotations. Can tell me what is that now? 5.5 rotations. Distance equals to Distance
5.5.
5.5 times of 2 pi r.
Into
Is it okay, wa?
2 pi r.
And what about the displacement? Displacement is equals to
2r.
diameter, or we can say 2r. Is it okay, guys? Sangamitrai, Shivani, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So this is what the concept called as uniform circular motion. So uniform circular motion, if you want to find the speed of a body, what is the formula, everybody? 2 pi r by time.
Time.
2 pi r by time. Is it okay, guys? Yes. So complete it till here. Then you keep it in mind, every half rotation displacement is 2r, and every complete rotation displacement is what? Yes, please.
Pi r.
0.
Zero, Mari. Yes, please write the
Displacement is
statement. Yes.
displacement.
Next meeting, Sanjay, I am giving chance. Sanjay, I want to show something. Sanjay, are you ready? I'll make you host once this will end. Only 1 minute is there. Okay. So just make it, everybody. Right. After every half rotation, displacement shown by the body, shown by the body in which path? Everybody, in which motion? In circular motion. Motion is equal to diameter of the path. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. Yes.
Yes, sir.
After every complete rotation, body initial point and final point is same. Initial point and final point is same. So what is the displacement, everybody? So displacement is what, guys?
Diameter.
0. Mari, after every complete rotation, Mari.
Yes, sir. In half rotation, it's diameter.
Half rotation, diameter. After every complete rotation, it is 0. Okay, Shivani? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till here you complete it and join back. Mr. Sanjay, be ready. If you are not ready, then I'll stop it. Okay. Then tomorrow we'll discuss some important points and difference between circular motion and linear motion. Mr. Kishore, circular motion and linear motion. Tomorrow we'll discuss it, and then we'll go with exercise and as well as NCERT exercise. This all the things.